Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with yet another haul video. Do let me know in the comment section if you guys love watching haul videos and if you want me to make more like haul videos and suggest me the topics you want to see. So in this video I will be sharing all the things which I bought from Zara and H&M. I have bought a lot and lot of like nice pieces. I cannot tell you how excited I am. Like there was a time when I used to love a lot of things from Zara, but I was not able to like buy them, not because of the money, because of the size, because I was a chubby girl back there in January or February I guess, and in lockdown I lost some weight and now I'm able to manage and get some really good pieces from Zara. They have such good collection. I'm actually literally loving each and everything from their collection because I think लॉकडाउन में उन लोगों के पास भी इनफ टाइम था बहुत अच्छा सा नाइस सा कलेक्शन लॉन्च करने के लिए. सो दे आर लॉन्चिंग रियली नाइस क्लोथ्स एंड इफ़ यू गाइज डोंट नो, ज़ारा में हमेशा आपको एवरी वीक दे लॉन्च न्यू collection, new clothes I would say. So yes, without further ado, let's get started because I am super excited to show what all the things I have got. So let's get into this video. Okay, so first, as there are less stuff from H&M, so let's cover H&M stuff first. So first I ordered this trouser which looks so big. I mean it is big. मैंने size I don't know क्या size order किया था, but they delivered size 44, which is clearly not my size. I think मुझे H&M में 38 आएगा, UK 10 आई गेस. सो वॉट एवर इट इज़. तो ये तो फर्स्ट श्योर वापस जा रहे हैं ना. वन मोर थिंग, ये मैंने मिंत्रा के थ्रू H&M से ऑर्डर किया था. तो अगर आपको सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ ट्राउजर चाहिए, मैं इसको पहन के भी नहीं दिखा सकती हूँ. इट्स दैट लूज. आई मीन डेफिनेटली मैं इसको पकड़ के भी नहीं रख सकती हूँ. तो सॉरी, स्टार्टिंग विद अ रॉन्ग नोट, बट येस that's what it is. तो ये तो वापस जा रही है ट्राउज़र and this is how it looks. This is very basic simple trouser. Like actually मुझे एक black trouser चाहिए थी and I was like trying really like different styles of black trousers because I was not sure. I'm not much into trousers, but I don't know, now it's right in my hand, girls. So yes, that's the first thing which I got from H&M, and probably returning it, and obviously returning it, not okay. So the next piece I got is this trouser by H&M again. Now this is a really nice trouser, but I think ये भी मेरे को loose है because the size is UK 12 और मुझे शायद इसका size 10 आएगा, but you can see how loose it is. But overall the material and everything is really nice. अगर आपको ये सही size में मिल जाएगी, then definitely you can grab this one. And this is a very like straight kind of fit. It's loose, it's a little bit loose bottom say, but apart from that it's really nice. Next I got this belt from H&M. This is their very basic like double rings kind of belt, but इसके साथ भी same problem हुआ है because probably I'm not sure about my size yet, because पहले जो मेरे को size पता थे वो सब अपने मोटापे के टाइम के साइज़ पता थे. तो अभी मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा श्योर नहीं हूँ मैं इनके साइजेस के लिए, बट येस दिस इज़ वेरी लूज ऑन मी. सो आई एम गोना रिटर्न दिस वन एंड गेट अ न्यू वन थोड़ा छोटे साइज़ में. Next I got is this pair of yellow white tone sneakers, running shoes I guess, not sneakers exactly, but these are really nice comfortable and इतने मस्त लग रहे हैं ना पहनने के बाद. So I'm really liking the detail and if you guys can see जो इसका bottom है सोल मतलब नीचे वाला जो एरिया है, it's kind of a transparent kind of look and it's looking really nice. I'm really loving it. I think with a yellow kind of top, it's gonna look really sporty and really nice. So just loving these ones. Next I got is this pair of slippers. These were extremely inexpensive I guess. मुझे सही से नहीं आता but इन पे कुछ डिस्काउंट भी था शायद 799 की या कुछ थी. Now they look really nice, but the only problem with these are कि जो इनका सोल है वो बहुत ही पतला है. तो अगर आप ज़्यादा देर इनको पहन के वॉक करेंगे then it's gonna hurt really bad. और जो सोल है वो भी I mean it's not cushioned one, बहुत ही basic kind of sole है तो आपको पैरों में दर्द कर सकता है. but apart from that like अगर आपको थोड़ा बहुत चलना है उस पर्पस के लिए तो they are really nice and really beautiful looking slippers. and अगर आप like simple black outfit पहनेंगे and then there's a pop of color which is gonna look really nice. Okay, so that's all the stuff which I got from H&M. Now let's move on to Zara because Zara is like Oh my god, it's just one stop destination for all the shopaholics out there. Now this is the first top I got. This is a crop top and it's with a very nice pattern of colors. It has green, it has purple, yellow, white. It looks really nice and it fits so perfect because of the detailing they have at the front and the back. This looks really nice. If you are a little fat as well and if you want to go with a crop top, then I think this is a really nice top for you. And kahin se bhi it fits so well that you won't feel like uncomfortable after wearing this. And I'm just loving this one, like literally loving this one. This is one of the good nice piece I got from Zara. Okay, the next top I got from Zara is again a crop top, but look at the details of this top. This tops look really nice. Like the neck is so good. It's like, you know, so flaunting. I don't know if flaunting is a word or not, but yes, it's the neck is really nice. But only problem with this one is, okay, first of all, let's appreciate the overall like masterpiece someone has created. So the look is nice. The back has some details going on, due to which it's gonna fit really well. The only problem is around the chest area, because chest area is a little loose, so you have to like make sure that you I don't know how you will handle it, but yes, you cannot like bend down or you know, so you have to like take care of that. But apart from that, the overall look is beautiful. It has like false pearl going on right in front of it, and I don't know, there is no complaint with this one. I think I was a little uncomfortable with the neck, but still I decided, like I have decided to keep this one, because I think you know, there are some pieces, agar main isko wapas de dungi, then I'm gonna think about it and I'll regret it, like oh, why I've returned it and all that stuff. So yes, I'm gonna keep this one. I got is this jeans, which is very comfortable. Like the material is really soft. Overall the length is okayish, but I think I need to get it trimmed a little bit, ताकि थोड़ा ankle, not exactly ankle नहीं चाहिए, ankle से थोड़ा नीचे, but yes, थोड़ा सा trimming की ज़रूरत है इसको. Apart from that, it's a high waisted jeans, तो अगर आप crop top और इस type की चीज़ें पहनते हैं, then definitely you can get this one. The material is really soft, like you won't feel that you're wearing a jeans. I got this in size Euro 40 and USA 8. Yes, so I think my size is 8 or 10, not 12 or 16 I guess, जो कि H&M से मैंने खरीदा था, and that's why these jeans are fitting me so perfect. So yes, that's that. So the next thing I got is this sweater kind of material. This is in size medium. Now I think मुझे इसका size down करना चाहिए था, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that now. I think मैं इसको ऐसे ही रख लूँगी, medium size में है ये. ये मैं थोड़ा सा like low waist तो नहीं, but जो normal waist jeans होती है उनके साथ इसको try करूँगी. But overall the look is really nice and different. As I told you, like I don't know if I told you in this video or not, but जैसा कि मैंने अपने मिंत्रा हॉल में भी कहा था कि I'm trying to get like different pieces, not like usual pieces. So that's why I'm just, you know, grabbing everything which is different, and it's very nice. Like look at the detailing of this one. I'm telling you, Zara is coming up with such good pieces. You cannot, you know, resist. You cannot just stop yourself from buying them. So yes, the sleeves are amazing, like so beautiful. And yes, overall it's a really nice sweater. So the next thing I got is this shirt. Now I think I don't know, I'm a bit confused about this one, though I have decided to keep this one, but I'm still confused because this is a georgette material, and this was for 3,000 bucks, and I think 3,000 for a georgette shirt is too expensive. But yes, I have decided to keep this one because of the color combination. I love yellow, I love mustard. Anything which has like this kind of pattern, this kind of color is something I love. And it has this bow tie kind of detail. You can just tie it up and it looks really nice. आप इसको बाहर करके भी पहन सकते हो if you are conscious about wearing crop top or tucked in shirts and everything, तो आप बाहर करके भी पहन सकते हो. But I think I'm gonna go with tucked in shirt with a trouser, like high-waisted trouser. Okay, next thing I got is this bodysuit. So in case you don't know how the bodysuit looks, it looks like this, and this has a very nice like contrast kind of detail. So it has the normal part as black, but the upper part is grayish kind of black, more like a charcoal black. But this fits really well, and I am again confused about this one because I don't know, I want to keep it, but I think it's too dressy, so I have to find places to wear this one because it is too dressy. And if you can see, the neck is just beautiful. If आप broad neck के tops पहनते हैं, then you're gonna look really like your neck is gonna look elongated और थोड़ा अच्छा look आता है. So yes, overall I'm loving this one, but only thing why I'm confused is because it's too dressy, so I'm not sure where I'm gonna wear this. But yes, I'll decide it later, like if I want to keep it or not. Okay, so next top I got is this one. This is again in black color and it is a crop top with a lot of drama in the sleeves. Actually sleeves, it's sleeveless वैसे तो, but yes, जो ये net का details है, that looks really nice. But मैं इसको return करने वाली हूँ because the armhole is a little big for me. Like I'll feel uncomfortable after wearing it, and there is no point of keeping it otherwise, because Zara stuff is expensive and you cannot just keep things for the sake of just keeping them. So I have to be very sure that I'm gonna wear it, then only I'll keep it. So yes, this one is going back, but overall it's a really nice piece, and if you are comfortable with large like armholes, then definitely you can keep this one and get it. Okay, next I got is this pant in beige color. To be honest, I'm not very like sure about the color, but the overall look of this pant is really nice. They have like a belt detail going on, जिसकी वजह से ये जो trouser है ये और ज़्यादा अच्छी लग रही है. I might get it in some different color because I'm not comfortable with this color, and शायद, not sure, but I think I have to like size down in this one. This is in size medium, but I think मेरे को small भी सही से आ जाएगा, but still I'm not sure about it. ये मेरे को थोड़ा सा crop भी कराना पड़ेगा अगर मेरे को if I'm keeping this one. Like I'm not gonna keep the color, the same color, but yes, they have like a very good brownish burgundy kind of color. I'm gonna insert a picture right here so that you guys can also see, and they have same in black as well, but black मैंने already ले लिया, so I'm not gonna keep black one. I'm not gonna get black one, but yes, maybe burgundy one. And next I got a pair of black sandals from Zara. Actually I got two pair, which I'm gonna show you a little bit. So this is how the first pair looks like. To be honest, this one is more comfortable than the one I'm gonna show you next. But the problem is that मैंने इसको पहले ट्राई नहीं किया था, और जो दूसरा वाला है वो मैं ऑलरेडी यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. सो आई कैन नॉट रिटर्न दैट वन. सो इसकी वजह से ये वापस जाने वाला है, बट दिस वन इज़ मोर कंफर्टेबल. अगर आपको ब्लैक हील्स चाहिए देन ट्राई दिस वन. एंड इसका जो बैक में डिटेल्स भी है, लाइक गोल्डन डिटेल्स हैं, विच इज़ लुकिंग रियली नाइस. अनदर पेयर आई गॉट इज दिस वन. दिस इज मोर लाइक क्लासी वन, सो दैट्स वाई आई ट्राइड दिस वन. एंड मैंने इसके टैग वैग सब हटा दिए और मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया कि मैं ये रखने वाली हूँ. और इसका जो हील है वो गोल्डन कलर का है, जिसकी वजह से शायद मेरे को ज़्यादा मन कर गया था. बट आई थिंक इसका साइज़ थोड़ा सा मेरे लिए बड़ा हो रहा है, दो इट्स साइज़ 39 और मैं 39 ही पहनती हूँ, बट थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो रहा है. तो मैं जब चलती हूँ तो ये मेरे पैर से थोड़ा सा निकल जाता है. बट आई थिंक दैट विल वर्क विथ लाइक अगर मैं ऐसा न्यूट्रल काइंड ऑफ कलर में सॉक या कुछ पहन लूँगी तो ये वर्क कर जाएगा. बट येस, दीज आर रियली नाइस एंड देयर हील्स आर रियली कंफर्टेबल. मतलब मैंने और भी ब्रांड्स के लाइक ऐसे पीप टोज वाले हील्स वगैरह ट्राई किए थे एंड दे वर रियली अनकम्फर्टेबल, तो वो मेरे को रिटर्न करने पड़े. बट आई थिंक आई एम गोना कीप नॉट कीप, ये तो टैग हट ही चुका है तो ये तो रखे ही जा रहे हैं फर्स्ट. सेकेंड लास्ट थिंग फ्रॉम Zara is these heels. They are like really small and मतलब ये तो मैं आपको बता ही नहीं सकती कि कितनी कंफर्टेबल है. शायद ये फ्लैट से भी ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल होंगी. एंड ये इनका हील साइज़ है, दे आर रियली कंफर्टेबल. ये बेसिकली मैंने जो ब्लू टॉप मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में दिखाया था उसके साथ पेयर करने के लिए मंगाई हैं. रियली कंफर्टेबल. अगर आप हील्स में बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल नहीं है एंड अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा हील हाइट नहीं पसंद है देन डेफिनेटली आप इनको ट्राई कर सकते हैं. दीज आर रियली कंफर्टेबल. नाउ द वीडियो हैज़ कम टू एन एंड. सो लास्ट थिंग जो कि मैंने Zara से ली है वो है ये बैग. इट्स अ वेरी small like mini clutch kind of bag and this is how it looks outer से. and बेसिकली इसके अंदर काफ़ी स्पेस है, लाइक आपका फ़ोन और आई थिंक मेरा कैमरा भी फिट हो जाएगा. दिस हैज़ लाइक वन जिपर कंपार्टमेंट, तो इन केस आपके कुछ कीमती सामान है वो आप यहाँ भी रख सकते हैं. एंड इसके साथ एक स्लिंग आता है प्रॉपर, जिसको आप एडजस्ट भी कर सकते हैं अपनी लाइक हाइट के हिसाब से. सो येस, दिस अ रियली नाइस पीस एंड येस, दिस गोना लुक रियली नाइस. ओके गाइज, सो आई फॉरगॉट टू इंक्लूड दिस वन इन द वीडियो, एंड while editing I realized that I forgot to add this one. So this is the pair of trousers जो कि मेरे को perfectly fit हो रहे हैं, and I'm gonna keep this one out of all the black trousers I've got, and this is how it looks. Broad नीचे से थोड़ा straight fit है, so I'm gonna get it altered ताकि थोड़ा सा ankle like कूल इफेक्ट आए और थोड़ा कैजुअल भी लगे. अदरवाइज लुकिंग ब्यूटिफुल, और इसमें काफ़ी सारे कलर्स भी अवेलेबल हैं. सो येस, इट हैज़ अ वेरी नाइस डिटेल एट बैक एज वेल, एंड इट्स रियली हाई वेस्टेड, लाइक रियली नाइस गुड quality trousers. So yes. So guys, that's it for this video, and if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and do let me know in the comment section what you like the most from this video. I'm gonna see you in my next video, which is again a haul video, so do check it out. So I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and see ya.